Manager, that you ruined the flour and strawberries for Miss Lottie's grand tea. This is a disaster.
Hi, Sarah.
Thomas felt terrible.
Hi.
He tried to puff forward, but he couldn't. Oh, Eve then huffed Thomas onto dry tracks.
Hi.
Thomas, your boiler will soon be bubbling.
Thank you, Rosie. Now, I can't go to collect Sir Topham Hatt and Alicia Potter. Would you take my special for me?
Of
Whoa.
course I will. I'll go right away.
Later, Thomas was once more steaming happily.
Good job.
Up at a junction.
Those are some big
There was
crashes.
a very big puddle on the right track.
Look at that big puddle.
Do?
It's perfect for splish, splash, splosh.
What, from
No,
the